Hi, for sale here at Wood Transits, we've got a long wheelbase LDV chassis cab with a tool pod tipper on it. So it's a 2.5 Euro 5 130 brake engine, front wheel drive, single rear wheels, alloys. Nice spec cab on this one, so you've got Bluetooth, electric windows, mirrors, you've got aircon in there as well. It's new and unregistered at the moment, 300 delivery miles down from the bodybuilder. 5-year warranty, 5-year roadside assist. You'd be first keeper in the V5 registration wise. This is the first one of these we've had through. We've actually got 5 being built, so a choice of 5. So dual passenger seat, 6-speed gearbox, cup holder in the dashboard, aircon, radio, your speedo dash control, Bluetooth on there, electric window switches, electric mirror switches, that one, tipper control from here. So alloy tool pod, aluminium roller shutter, shelf at mid-height, underrung bars, telescopic tipping ram. So tipper wise, we've got a king tipper body, aluminium side and tailboard, colour coded to the cab, steel floor, bulkhead with grab handle on, tow bar, ball and pin as well. Really good value for money these are. There's a lot of tipper van, tool pod tipper there for the money. If you need any more details or if you want to come and have a view or a test drive, you're more than welcome. Telephone number here, 0118 979 0060. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.